ever wonder if a cheap cold air intake could really hang with an expensive one? Well, today we're slapping both on the Civic to test sound, speed, and weight to see if you really need to break the bank or if cheap still wins. We're gonna start with the cheap one first, and then we'll take that off and then put the expensive one on. The cheap one comes in at $60, and the engine technology comes in at $400. Really big difference here, so I'm expecting a lot of differences. Oh yeah, it is the actual size the cold air intake's supposed to be, because I know y'all don't like when I'm blowing hot air in. So yeah, full size. I like full size. Ooh, look at that weld. I mean, guys, for $60, that's not a bad weld. I weld better, but right now we got the short ram version of this one. That's the same size right there. That's all blowing hot air in. This is where our filter should be. Ooh, wait, it really hit the spot for $60. Now that that's all out the package, time to take this old one off. Flat head first. I like using the big ones. Having trouble getting the big one in.
Usually the big ones don't keep slipping out like that.
All right, clamps off. Pull the hose off. Oh, wait, I need help pulling. No. You know what? Maybe because I gotta rock it a little bit, it's not supposed to be this hard. Oh, short ram out, and since y'all don't like this, we'll just throw this. We also have new cups, so we get to take this out as well, if I could get it out. Okay, there we go. We also get to replace this hose as well. Oh wait, it comes with a new one of these too. Some pliers. Icon, you don't need Snap-on. You know, a lot of y'all like paying $50 monthly payments for the next 20 years for your new Snap-on toolbox. Oh wait, I got it. I did not think I was gonna get that actually. So that's pretty cool, honestly. eBay coming with all this new parts, basically a whole new system. This the old one all rusty. This new one on. Oh fuck. Oh, look at that finger work. Oh yeah. Grab our pipe. This should go on there nice and easy. It should. You know, we got a real big throttle body. A little hard to get on. This is pro mechanic stuff right here. I don't expect a lot of y'all to understand. Oh, you're just burning rubber. No, I'm lubricating the outside. What's that smell? Oh, look. Oh, yeah. Okay, guys, so you cannot hate on the torch technique because it clearly just went on right after I did that. Next, we gotta put our pipe on. So just shove that in there, and you wanna line this part up with the sensor too that's over here. You have to stuff that in the hole too. eBay could be a little better at sizing here. Even I could size better than this. We're having to force a lot of things in. Oh, okay guys, we need heat again. And it worked the first time, so you know it has to work the second time as well. Oh, it's not an actual torch. Guys, I can't afford a real torch, so I'm just using my mom's lighter. Oh, okay, finally. I can plug this sensor on. I think we can do that now. Why is it not going in the hole? It's not working too bad. Oh shit, I just broke all the plastic off the sensor. Fuck. I didn't know I need to cut a hose. Comes with more than you need, so I guess it might be universal. That's the only reason something like that would happen. I do like the length though that they give you to like work with. Go ahead and size this up real quick. I just eyeball and then I'll mark it with this. Boom, perfectly lined up. I used to own a machine shop if you can't tell. Even though it's not that good of a cut, I think it should work. I don't know if it really matters if the hose is all fucked up or not. First pipe on there, now we gotta grab our connecting pipe. I think I'm gonna route it just like this, because I'm gonna have the hood off so it can just stick out. Get all that cold air in. Shove our fitting on there. Shove our other pipe in there. I'll just shove it in like this and then twist and turn it. Perfect. Let's tighten down these clamps. All right, now both these clamps are tightened, and now we can finally put on the filter. Make sure you wanna tighten this down. You don't want your filter flying down the highway. That's not a bad setup, honestly. And the first test we're gonna do is the sound test. Yo, I can't lie, this thing sounds actually way better than I thought. Now let's go get the speed test. If you saw last video where I was doing the clutch, the car was not moving at the end of it, but it happened to just be the axle wasn't fully in place. To go with that, we also installed a brand new short shifter along with a Skunk 2 Alpha weighted shifter knob. So we're already faster just off that. What that is. Oh shit. Going back up to the shop, those noises is something I never heard before. Oh yeah, it's just an engine mount bolt. One of our engine bolts fell out to the left. That's not really that important, so let's go ahead and continue this test. Car is holding on for like dear life, dude. I think the car just went. No, the terminal must have fell off. No, what happened?
It'd be ironic right after you said the car's about to go. Ooh, that doesn't smell good.
No.
White smoke coming out the exhaust?
No.
It's just not coming on. The battery's probably dead.
Wait. Push me. Push faster. What do I do?
Stop clutch, starting first.
The car does start, it just needs a little bump to start. Average Civic things though, so let's go ahead and continue this. Now, if the sound and speed test is done, we can take it off and get the weight test. Okay, so first I gotta see how much I weigh without it. 142.5 plus whatever this is. Okay, it's coming in at about 2.5 pounds. That's honestly not bad. Now we can just throw this one to the side. Now we can open the real cold air intake. Like I said, this comes in at $425. I'm gonna be real careful with this one. It's a little above budget.
Intake might be worth more than the car at this point.
Low key, honestly. Ooh, hold on. Okay, they did pull a little bit of an eBay move here with this. Y'all know how I feel about this. Oh, look at them fittings. Let me grab one of these. Y'all could just see that quality difference in between them. Guess that's what you get when you spend more money. Nice and shiny. It's lightweight too. I wonder what this is made out of. And our filter. This one's blue, unlike the red one. I kind of like blue more, so that's another plus. Now see, this one, already a difference, unlike the eBay one that came real long. So I like that it's fitted.
Some people like it fitted. I like it real long.
Also, I can already tell these clamps are like way heavy duty. Like if I show you on one of these clips over here, compared to this one's real thick, real big. And this one just comes in super like flimsy. So big quality difference right now is what I'm seeing. It probably is gonna come with a few more clamps. And ooh, the expensive one is really winning right now. It comes with 2 of these, unlike the other one only had 1. I'm pretty sure, oh wow, look how shiny that is. Oh my goodness. I really like the quality on this. Already, there's been so many differences, like the fittings going on better. The other one, I needed to use heat and it took me about 5 minutes to get each one on. These ones just slip right on, so I like that. Already the time installation is way faster. Now that clamp on that is tight. Next, we gotta pop this thing back off and install our new one. Pop our new one out. And I like how it already has the nut a little flush on there. The other one, the nut was just all out of place. Screw that on. Now we gotta grab our pipe. Be real careful with this. Like our sensor, and don't forget about that. There we go. We didn't even need the dead blow. I'm telling you guys, the fittings on this are so much better. The other one I had to hammer in real hard and just force it in there. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but right here where the fitting goes, it's like a smaller diameter around rather than this part. So that's probably why it slips on real easy. See, push, get one in a little deeper than that. I like when it's in real deep. I don't know how deep it's supposed to go. So we shoved it in there. We got a 10mm nut. Clamp that down real good. Just the build quality on this is just great. That's finally clamped on. Now we got our other fitting right here. I think I should have, ooh, even on the clamps, it says their brand name, InGen, right there. So that's nice. Lots of small little details that count. So put this fitting on, grab our pipe, the other pipe. Something about pipe I just love. This is really nice. I like this filter. Also, this is something different I never seen before. This one's like real wide open. This one's smaller and a little bit more closed off. If y'all know why, comment down below. When I tried routing it this way, I tried a bunch of different ways and it actually wasn't working. I took the battery out of the car and the plastic tray. It'll fit right under there if you could see. And so now I'm just tightening these clamps down and then I'll put the battery back. We should be good to go. This is probably how I was supposed to install the other one, but I didn't take the time to realize. Oh shit, fuck that up. Pop these terminals back on. Make sure I pop them back in the right spot. Oh shit, is that the wrong one? Not mix up your terminals. I was kind of worried it was wrong, but I used to work for HVAC. A little bit of sting didn't hurt me. Shit guys, I almost forgot the hose. I was talking good about, you know, fitment, but I did have to take the starter bottle cable off. All right, and now that that's installed, we can go ahead and take it out of the garage and get to doing the test. I'm not gonna lie, it sounds pretty crazy. It definitely sounds better than the cheaper one, and I think it's even a bit louder. I could just hear it sucking in all the air.
It sucks as strong as me.
Bro, let's go do the speed test.
60.
Oh shit, yeah, you ran an
8.5 is crazy, guys. I don't know. This thing's gaining speed just like that.
All right, now we're gonna head back to the shop and get the weight test. All right, let's see what we weigh without it first. Okay, 142. And then we'll just add whatever this is. Oh my goodness, 146.3. 4.3 pounds on this. The cheaper one ended up weighing 2.5 pounds. This weighs 4.3, so it is heavier, but there was a lot of better things about it I like. Better airflow, better sound. If you really have the extra money, I would say go ahead and go with something like this. But if you don't really care about fancy stuff, just go with the cheaper one. You'll still get improved results from it. And remember guys, at 10K subs, we will be turboing the Civic. So make sure you drop a sub and stay tuned for the next video.